Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video we will download and set up Kali Linux and VMware workstation. There are many ready-made files of Kali Linux which don't need the installation of Kali from the scratch. So let's go to google.com, search for Kali Linux. In the first URL with the kali.org is the website which you can download Kali's Linux safely without any virus to be in the ready-made file. Click on it. Once you're in kali.org, you can read the documentation of the Kali for more details regarding Kali Linux. Here you can click on download. And here you will be able to see many of ready-made Kali OS for different platform. We need to select the virtual machine as we will be working on its VMware. Now click on VMware and download the file. And you have to select the location for it, where you want to download the file. Then click save. I won't download it as I already downloaded. It's like 2.7 gigabit file. Now take out the file from the RAR file which is downloaded. And wait for it till it's completed. Now open the Kali Linux file and you need to find the file with the VMX file. Okay, and open it. You can edit its specification which is provided to the mate. I will increase its RAM to nearby 5 gigabits and then OK. And click click start and wait for it to start. The default password will be the username password will be Kali and user